Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of this TENS unit my wife and I ordered to be able to use it when we need to. So it comes in this nice box here, and for ease of use of this video, I went ahead and took it out first. So here's your TENS unit here, and what you want to do is you'll want to pull off this protective screen first to show your digital display. Here's your power button, and then you push these buttons based on what area you want to use, what settings you want. There's a timer button. Down here is where your units plug into with the cords, and then here's your charging port. But here's your power button right here, and as you can see, the display lights up. And then here we've got all the other accessories. So basically this is your power cord or charging cord, and that plugs into this port like I said right here. And then here's your other cords for your pads. You got 4 different ones. And then here's your pads right here, 3 different sizes. And then these ends plug into the pads here right there, as you can see. And then you got this nice storage bag right here to use, which is pretty cool. Here's a quick start guide. If you want to use the quick start guide, please follow all directions, and obviously check with your doctor first before using it. And then here's a bigger user manual kit, so please make sure you read everything and follow everything correctly, and as I mentioned, check with your doctor first. But just wanted to show you this quick unboxing and for this nice TENS unit that we ordered.